on this all-important day when teams cannot afford to lose. Those who lose
But it's a very tall lineup, lalo na yung Akari, kilala din talaga sila for their height and their blocking skills.
In the
But
PBL eliminations, they did not drop a single game. In the meantime, we are underway. First attack is in progress. Bang already at work. Chamson is there. Bonapé. And the attempt of Villena is outside.
you see the coming off the errors of Akari.
Oo nga, no? Hindi man lang offensive attacks talaga eh. Eto,
Ayan daw.
malinaw. Soltones, sabi niya, gusto mo na attack? Eto. Hindi na siya na halos nakakalaro eh. Doon lang siya, papasok siya paminsan-minsan para mag-serve. Bonafé, set up job. Soltones, appreciating her work, brings her team within 2.
You know, get that usual pace out from the Angels.
Mula nung 14-13 na 7-1 run na ang Akari until that moment. Ellie and certain teams should just wait for her time, wait for her chances.
Ooh!
Ikaw, between a block and a spike, anong mas satisfying? Has scored 5 points in this opening set. Laksina brings them finally to set point.
Sa mga timeouts niya, play talaga, specific plays ang kanyang...
May call siya nga agad.
Oo.
One up, may tawag eh. Why not? Diba? Sakto. Second set point. Again, the winner of this match will have a date with Signal. Nakaka-4 na set point nito mga Akari, no? Jamson. Ganda ng kuha ni Danny Ravena. And we are tied again. Lalim. Soltones shoots, and it's a big pickup by Tempiatura downstairs. This is problematic, but they get to it. They will heave it over. Ganyan pag magre-return ka mataas para may chance ka mag-recover. Soyun! Soyun!
Grabe, I haven't seen Ellie Soyud as alert as that one. Kasi Mai Supontillas, you know, she has some tricks up on her sleeves, pero...
Second set point opportunity. Laksina. Uh-oh. Nearly laps there. Down the middle we go with Domingo. Up in the air. Kept alive. They toss it to the back row. Chance to attack. So Yud reaches for it. The crowd beginning to get into this. And that is cleanly hit. We are tied at 29.
Laksina making something out of that. She wasn't in the best position.
Yan sino yung maka-score ng 30. But that's on the fly in volleyball. Here we go. Pablo. Laksina. Oh, Madrigal. And Bonapé conniving nicely.
Look at Coach Tina Salak.
Kasi pagka naglalaro ka, pwede kang tumakbo. Pwede
Parang
kang...
maka-carjack na si Camille.
Oh, that's inside, and we are going to take a while here.
Myla Pablo, again, kahit ilista nyo yung down the line, her efficiency on that angle is just top
May
notch.
30 all. Laksina. Oh, neatly done.
That was a great set by Bea Bonafé.
Can they get this now after 6 set point opportunities? Good hand by Ravena. Laksina. And look at this. Sakari finally ends that protracted battle at 32-30. Wow. Point of the set, katid sa inyo. Matagal bago ko nasabi ito. Point of the set brought to you by Maria Bivita. The last responsibilities. By the way, we are in the second set and proceeding here. Again, tama si Mela Tunay. The winner here moves into the next round. Farm Fresh and Cherry Tigo already did the job last Saturday. Soyud uncorks. Pablo accepting. Runner nakaroon. Here comes Madrigal. Bonapé, just be confident. Tina Salak said. Soltones. Jamson. Laksina steady. Soyud wants to win it. Si Soyud hindi ayaw na mahabang kwentuhan eh.
And Ellie Soyud. picking up her game. She's had a couple of errors in the first set, but you know, she was also looking more comfortable with those hits.
Saka generous si Bonifay, lahat pinipita niya eh. That works. And Akari now has scored. Should be 11 all. Yes, it is. Soyud from the rear. Oh, too hot to handle.
And Soyud has consistently looked for that cross-court spot of this match.
Oh, service ace from the young setter.
Contact na sa bola eh.
That's a good point, yeah.
And I think, you know, being a coach herself, she has this camp where she trains kids.
Oo nga pala.
Being a coach herself, it allows her to be more mindful eh. And I think that...
Dikit na dikit itong dalawang ito. Jamson. Bonifay. Laksina. Yes. Pag cross-court, she's in a good place.
And you know na the chances are high na she's gonna go for the cross dahil
Madrigal serve in play. Pablo shoots away. Madrigal whirling on the floor. Laksina gets it to bite.
Look at the counter of Ivy Laksina.
Here's Madrigal. Pineda accepting. That's blocked. Nowhere to go.
And a ball put up by Ivy Laksina instead Domingo. Good job on the closeout.
Dacoron serve in action. Soyud tries this time and makes it safely inside parameters here. 19-16 now.
Pedro got the set number 2. It was Akari who's been setting the pace for the match.
But Marla Pablo going crazy here with their production.
The gray area for Petragas is who's going to be the next person to step up.
Tempiatura unable to handle it. I see Marla Pablo will play with the serve in action. That should score.
Point production lamang pa rin sila pagdating sa opensa kontra sa Petrogas.
Soltones has scored 9. In play, it is playable. It becomes an opportunity for Victoria to celebrate.
Camille Victoria, muntik pa mawala sa balance eh. We can take another peek at that. Hila ni Victoria sa sarili niya just to avoid the net.
And now it's Madrigal who goes to work. Yung serve ni Sed ang may diin eh. Whoa! One-handed pickup. Victoria got to it. Soltones blocked. Domingo kneeling down. Soltones tries again. Shoots it against the hands. Good one-hand ground pickup. Oh, when you're lucky and you are industrious, the luck can be created.
They did mention the height advantage of Akari at sa mga ganitong panahon, talagang mapapakinabangan nila yan even if this is the score.
Mabuti pang tapusin mo na agad eh. Lamang ka na ng dalawa. Eto na. Katok-katok sa pintuan itong Musa. Tataas ulit. One more time around the block. No. Not yet.
You knew Jonah had her eyes on that's also something very nice for Bonifay to adapt as a young developing setter here for the team. Almost scoring a point there.
Yeah, because that was the intention from the timeout.
What a way to end set number 2. Look at the way Greta Soltones avoided match against Cherry Tigo. So yung mga veterano na team talaga napapahirapan nila. Kaya they need to close out here in the third set to avoid those kinds of situations again.
Layo.
So yeah,
Layo. If they win and they have a 2-set to love lead, they will play Signal on Thursday right here. Big dig up by Ravenna. Off hands now. Chisayat sends it to the open, and that shot is a touched ball.
But now the balanced playmaking is something that Rhea Bonifay should celebrate here today. I mean, kanina makikita natin nagsistruggle pa, but as the game progresses, nagiging komportable na siya.
Nagsettle in.
Kasama niya. Ironic din because you have all these big veterans here on your team, and usually yung laban and that fire, it's more in it kapag ka mga veterano. But speaking of, Joy Dacoron scoring off that quick hit.
Brian was concerned about the way the ball was getting to Chi Saete. In the meantime, a foiled attempt there. Soltones shoots. Dacoron. Well done.
Blockers for Myla Pablo. That's a big no-no, whether it's from an off.
That push into the middle, which has been a loophole in the Akari defense. Soltones has 10. Action continues. Pablo. Soltones. Laksina. Yeah. Alexis, ano meron? Soyud. Chang got to it. It's still in play. We have a joust, and it does not last very long.
Still up by 3. Like you mentioned earlier, they took control of the second set. The entire set, they were the ones setting the pace. And it's still the same story here in the third set.
Ganda ng confidence na nakuha ng Akari from winning that very long first set. No, they messed this up. They might need a timeout here. Will hit the floor. Oh, that's a check ball. Myla knew it. And just to complete the sentence, Zeus Coffee goes up against Chocomucho later on. This ricochets of the net. One-handed set. Chang just pushed it up. Hit out as Adolfo gets that to bite. Sa beach volleyball, puro buhangin doon sa likod na yun. Aha! By the Angels. Soyud. Adolfo kicking high. The drop. Soyud gets to it. Soltones, and they are foiled. Down now by 2. Naku, hindi naka-atake. Soyud denied.
Oh, Tiangzon and Joy Dacoron taking over.
Third set. That's hit out. Soltones lands it against the block.
So good potential lineup eh.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of experience, and I think as they go, nadadagdagan yung experience, and now we're seeing the fruits of all those efforts combined.
Tagawa with a big shot. Bigger shot by Dacoron.
Imagine the height difference between Dacoron and Tagaod, the single block pa.
That does not work, and it's outside. Close to the net. The zip, the whip, and the score by Myla Pablo. Myla with 15. Soyud pushes it over. That will work for Adolfo.
Adolfo, such a power hitter.
Ooh, off the hands. Alam mo, ang movement ng players, it's not just because of the sweldo eh.
Also sometimes the team composition, kung saan nila nakikita yung sarili nila na mas mag-grow pa.
Alam mo, ang downside kasi ng volleyball compared to basketball, it is match point. Chance. Soltones got it in the corner. And Akari will set a date to the next round.
Retzel Soltones